Let go of the urge to control how things must unfold in your life. Release your grip on the specifics, the timelines, the need to map out every single step. When we cling to a rigid vision of how life must go, we unintentionally block the beautiful surprises that the universe is patiently trying to send our way. Often we limit ourselves by imagining only one path to success or happiness, when in reality, there are endless possibilities that could bring us exactly what we need, even if it looks different from what we first envisioned. The truth is, what you desire can arrive in ways that might completely surprise you. When you allow yourself to release attachment to a specific outcome, you open up to the possibility of life delivering your dreams in ways more wonderful than you could ever plan. This is the art of letting go, of trusting that what's meant for you is already on its way, even if it doesn't show up in the form you expected. Trust that you're worthy of all the goodness the universe has in store for you. Believe that you deserve it and let that trust guide you. This is where surrender becomes powerful. Surrendering doesn't mean giving up. It means releasing the need to force things to go a certain way. It's aligning yourself with the energy of your dreams, with faith that the universe is expertly orchestrating your highest good. Surrender invites flow into your life. It makes space for the right people, opportunities, and experiences to arrive effortlessly. When you let go of trying to control every detail, life often surprises you with outcomes better than you could have imagined. A key part of this surrender involves silencing that inner critic, the self-doubt that often clouds our journey. Our thoughts and words are powerful, shaping our reality more than we realize. When we dwell on our fears, our insecurities, or what we might lack, we unintentionally attract more of that energy. But when we shift our focus to what we desire, love, abundance, joy, fulfillment, we start aligning ourselves with those energies, drawing them closer to us. Abundance is not just possible, it's your birthright. You came into this world already connected to a flow of limitless good. The universe constantly works in your favor, sending opportunities, blessings, and everything you need to thrive. All you have to do is allow it to unfold. And that means not standing in your own way, not letting doubt, fear, or limiting beliefs block what's coming. Instead, nurture a sense of worthiness, knowing you're deserving of all the joy, love, and wealth meant for you. So let go of how things should happen and trust that everything is unfolding just as it needs to. Stay open to the unexpected, to paths you might not have chosen on your own. Trust in divine timing, knowing that the universe has a rhythm all its own and that it's bringing exactly what you need when you're ready to receive it. When you focus your energy on what truly brings you joy and lights up your spirit, you start to move in harmony with the flow of life. In the end, the more you let go, the more you allow yourself to receive. Embrace this journey, trust the process, and watch as life unfolds in ways that feel like pure magic. Release your need for control and open your heart to the adventure waiting for you. Surrender to the flow and feel the beauty of living in alignment with the universe. The more you release, the more you receive. Trust the journey.